Identifying common issues in Mini Coopers. What owners should watch for. Mini Coopers are known for their fun drive and stylish design. However, they come with some common mechanical and electrical issues. Recognizing these problems early can prevent costly repairs and breakdowns. Common engine problems. Timing chain tensioner failure causes rattling noise and potential engine damage. Carbon buildup leads to rough idling and reduced engine efficiency. Oil leaks, common around valve covers and oil filter housings. Transmission and clutch issues. Automatic transmission failure, hard shifting or slipping gears. Clutch failure, premature or causing difficulty in shifting gears. CVT problems, expensive repairs due to poor reliability. Electrical and sensor faults. Power steering failure, loss of assist due to faulty pump or wiring. Faulty fuel gauge, incorrect readings lead to fuel mismanagement. Door lock issues, central locking malfunctions over time. Suspension and steering problems. Worn control arm bushings, causes uneven tire wear and poor handling. Strut mount failure, leads to clunking noises and poor ride comfort. Power steering pump issues, can result in stiff or unresponsive steering. Cooling system failures. Water pump failure, causes overheating and potential engine damage. Radiator leaks, lead to loss of coolant and overheating risks. Thermostat housing cracks, results in coolant leaks and temperature fluctuations. Brake system concerns. Warped brake rotors, creates vibration when braking. Premature brake pad wear, requires frequent replacements. ABS module failure, triggers warning lights and reduces braking efficiency. Conclusion. Mini Coopers are reliable but prone to some recurring issues. Regular maintenance and early detection can extend the car's lifespan. Addressing problems promptly can enhance performance and safety.